Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up more and more in my inbox. What app is better than Stash? Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back. Stash has done a fantastic job of making investing accessible to millions. It's a great platform for beginners, offering fractional shares and automated investing. But, as with any tool, there are situations where it might not be the perfect fit. So, let's explore some alternatives that might be a better match for your specific needs. Alternative 1, Robinhood. Robinhood is another popular app known for its commission-free trading. While it's similar to Stash in many ways, it offers a wider range of investment options, including options trading and cryptocurrencies. Pros: commission-free trading. Wide range of investment options. Active community and educational resources. Cons: can be overwhelming for beginners. Limited customer support. Alternative 2, Wealthfront. If you're looking for a hands-off approach to investing, Wealthfront might be a great choice. It uses algorithms to build a diversified portfolio based on your risk tolerance and investment goals. Pros: automated portfolio management. Low fees. Tax loss harvesting. Cons: limited customization options. May not be suitable for active traders. Alternative 3, Betterment. Similar to Wealthfront, Betterment offers automated investment services. However, it also provides financial planning tools and advice, making it a good option for those who want a more personalized experience. Pros: automated portfolio management. Financial planning tools. Competitive fees. Cons: limited customization options. May not be as suitable for active traders as Robinhood. Alternative 4, Acorns. Acorns is a unique app that allows you to invest your spare change. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the difference. This is a great way to start investing with small amounts of money. Pros: easy to start investing. Low fees. Flexible investment options. Cons: limited investment options. May not be suitable for those looking for significant returns. When to choose Stash? While we've discussed several alternatives, Stash is still a great option for many people. Here are some situations where Stash might be the best choice. Beginners: Stash's simple interface and educational resources make it a great choice for those new to investing. Fractional shares: if you want to invest in expensive stocks without buying a whole share, Stash is a great option. Automated investing: if you prefer a hands-off approach to investing, Stash's automated investing features can be helpful. So, which app is better than Stash? The answer depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and affordable way to invest, Stash is a great option. However, if you're looking for more advanced features or a more personalized approach, one of the other alternatives we've discussed might be a better fit. Ultimately, the best way to determine which app is right for you is to do your own research and consider your specific goals and risk tolerance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.